Welcome back. Announcing their latest developments, Emirates Data Clearing House hosted their 13-user group meeting this morning. Providing roaming solutions to mobile operators, the meeting brought together 100 global telecommunication users, including mobile operators in the Middle East, Africa and Asia. Mobile industry professionals were able to interact and discuss the current services and client support options that are currently available in the market. Topics addressed were related to international roaming, smart card solutions for operators, mobile money solutions, as well as GSM's current and future projects.
One of the hot subjects currently is being discussed within the GSM Association is the real billing systems or real billing service, where the subscriber, when he travel, he doesn't need to wait till he come back or go back to his country for 2 or 3 days in order to find out his bill. No, he can check his bill immediately by going through the internet or by getting the updated information in his mobile while he is traveling.
Ahmed Al Yatim, director of EDCH, stated that 12 years ago, upon their first user group meeting, they only had 7 to 8 clients. However, now they have over 700 clients, all seeking for data clearing solutions.
In terms of the processing of the data, I can say that currently we are having huge number of records. Our databases are really growing very fast. I can say like 700 or 800% time more than 12 years back. In terms of the services that we are currently discussing in the meeting itself.
Abu Dhabi Ports Company announced today the arrival of the first pilot boat to serve Khalifa Port when it becomes fully operational in Q4 this year. Commenting on the announcement, the Vice President of the Ports Unit at ADPC, Captain Mohammed Al-Shamisi, stated that the Khalifa Port is now 96% complete and that they are on schedule to open in Q4 this year. He further added that they are pleased to witness the continued progress taking place in the ambitious project, and the arrival of the pilot boat comes just weeks after they received the final batch of ship and shore cranes. The pilot boat will be able to serve Khalifa Port for a minimum of 20 years and is designed by Riviera, a local company specializing in boat building, yacht maintenance and pool making. And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And looking to other business news now, it was a big week on the economic calendar, with the headline figure being the non-farm payrolls from the US. The number came in weaker than expected, which then led to some weakness in the markets. We earlier asked Gaurav Kashyap, head of DGCX trading at Alpari Middle East, the implications of the report.
Last Friday's non-farm payroll report was by far the headline event on the economic calendar, and it was a disappointing report to say the least. The figures for March were only 120,000 new jobs added. This is less than half of the 240,000 jobs added during the month of February. Overall, the unemployment rate did drop to 8.2%, down from 8.3%, but this is as a result of the decreasing in the participation rate, the number of people actively looking for jobs in the US. So that figure is a bit construed. Now, judging by the comments from Ben Bernanke 2 weeks ago, the markets now will be speculating to QE or not to QE, whether we will see additional easing measures from the Fed. Remember, as I said, Ben Bernanke 2 weeks ago said that a still weak unemployment picture in the US could open the door to additional easing measures. And last Friday's report will definitely now increase the speculation that will the Fed look at introducing additional QE measures as early as probably summertime. Remember, additional QE measures will see the US dollar weaken, which is what happened in Friday's trading session. Remember, it was closed for good Easter. We can expect more of a deeper reaction come Monday's opening. We also have a very big week out of China. Earlier in the day, we had the flash Chinese consumer price index reading, which is a measure for inflation, came much higher than expected. And of course, on Friday, we also have the GDP reading from China, which is expected to come at 8.4%. So this will be a lot of action for the Australian dollar in trading this week, between 1.00 and 1.038.